Afternoon, guys. How you all doing? Well, I have a few project saws leaving today. I'll show them all in their various states before I box them up. Daryl, thanks for buying the 181. Love to hear what you get on with this saw, and she kind of looks the least finished, but really it's just a cover and side cover by the look of it. So I'd love to hear what happens. I've just put some fuel in to prime her. So it seems to run really well just with priming. So love to hear what you end up doing with this saw, if she's parts or if she's going to be just rebuilt back up. Seems too good actually running to do anything else. And then, okay, Stuart, you bought the beautiful untouched Farmer F55. So I have found an oil cap, which should have brought out, put it in the box with her, and you mentioned did she fire, so I've just squirted some fuel in, and let's see if she'll fire as well. So again, sounds beautiful. Love to hear what you end up doing with this saw, and I hope she serves you well. That's the gorgeous F55. Fantastic history of the F55, following on from its very first incarnation, the R16 in the mid-60s. And then we have Ashley, you've got the gorgeous 455. So again, this is not started since the other day. And let's do choke. Don't know how many that needs to really prime. Is that all ready? Ashley, hope the saw serves you well. Let me know how you get on, if you go through it and service it or just start using it as she is, but I think she should be gone through. And finally, let's grab this beautiful saw. Well, what is there to say about the gorgeous Echo? James, Fabi. Ciao James, ciao Fabi. Mie, scusa mi italiano, mi italiano è pessimo. Miei cari amici, my dear friends. Per Eva ha acquistato la motosega, la bellissimo Echo 452 motosega. So thank you for buying the beautiful 452. Let's see what this girl runs like again. And there, if I can actually apply that. Okay. Oh, is that right? Should I try choke? Always better with choke. James, hope you love the saw. Arrivederci. See you a bit later on. Guys, please let me know how you all get on. I'd love to know. Take care. Bye for now.